Hello everyone, good morning. I miss you all. Thank you so much for your assignments. I have received all of them and I really appreciate your hard work and your caring about the quality of the work you are producing, and I'm very happy with your performance. Thank you so much. We still have a lot of learning to do, and I appreciate your hard work. Today we are going to start one of the most important topics this semester, maybe the most important, because it's a tool that will stay with you till you finish studying math. So it is very important to have this under your belt. So today's lesson is about factoring, quadratics, ax squared plus bx plus c when a equals 1. So when the number in front of x equals 1. We have learned already how to switch from quadratic in factored form to quadratic in standard form using the FOIL method. So for example, if we have 2x minus 1 times x plus 3, we learned how to expand this and switch from factored form, this is factored form, to standard form, this is standard form, using FOIL. So what we did is we multiplied the first 2x squared, then outer, so 6x, then inner, this is negative x, then last negative 3, then we combined like terms, so 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. This is what we have learned. Today we are going to learn how to do the opposite. We are going to learn how to switch 2x squared plus 5x plus 2, this is in the standard form, to the factored form of this quadratic. But we are going to learn how to do that when a is 1. We're going to continue learning this little by little for at least a week until we master all of those. So what we are going to do is I'm going to give you some examples of how to do it, and of course I will post a package for you, and we'll see how things are going. So let's say we have this quadratic, this is example 1, and we want, this is in standard form because it's in the same form as ax squared plus bx plus c. A is 1, like that's what we're doing today. B is 7, c is 12. So when we try to factor this, when a is 1, all what we need to do, first we need to open two brackets like this because it will be in factored form. Then this x squared, we're going to write it as x and x because x times x is x squared. Then we need to think of two numbers multiplied to 12. We need to think of two numbers multiplied to c and add to b. So two numbers multiplied to c and add to b at the same time. Maybe at the beginning you are not used to this, so you are not going to find them right away. My advice to you is find all the factors if you cannot find it right away. So the factors of 12 are the numbers that can divide 12 without remainder. So let's say 1 and 12 are factors. Negative 1 and negative 12 are factors. 2 and 6 are factors. Negative 2 and negative 6 are factors. 3 and 4 are factors. Negative 3 and negative 4 are factors. I think that's That's it. Now we need to see which pair will add to 7. This add to 13, this add to negative 13, this add to 8, this add to negative 8, this add to 7. So this is what I need. So all I need to do, simply write each number here. So plus 3, plus 4, and we are done with the factoring. If you expand this using the FOIL method, you will get that again. Let us try to make sure that I'm not lying to you. So when we multiply this, x times x is x squared, 4x, 3x, plus 12, combined like terms, x squared, plus 7x, plus 12. So as you see, this is the factored form of this quadratic. So let's have example 2. Example 2, x squared plus 3x minus 18. So we need to think, again, open two brackets. x squared is x and x. We need to think of two numbers multiplied to negative 18 because we take c with its sign and at the same time add to 3. If you cannot find it right away, find all the factors. Negative 1 and positive 18. Positive 18 and negative 18 and positive 1. Negative 2 and positive 9. Positive 9 and negative 2. Positive 3 and negative 6. Negative 3 and positive 6. And let's try. Which one of them will give me 3 when I add? This, no. This, no. This, no. No. This is negative 3, no. This is positive 3, yes. So I will write here negative 3 and positive 6. Okay? Very simple, right? Okay, now let's have another example. This is example 2. We're going to have example 3. X squared minus 29x plus 28. Again, a is 1, so right away x and x. Think of two numbers multiplied to 28 and add to negative 29. So this could be 28 times 1. No, this doesn't give me negative 29. Give me positive 29. Now, let us say negative 28 times negative 1. Yes, this is factors of 28. When we add this, we get negative 29. So this is what we need. Negative 28. Negative. Okay, if you FOIL, you will get this again, back again. If you FOIL, you will get x squared minus x minus 28x plus 28 combined like terms. X squared minus 29x plus 28. Okay, so this is example 3. I want to do another example. Example 4. X squared minus 4x minus 21. Now a is 1, so x and x. We need to think of two numbers multiplied to negative 21 and add to negative 4. So negative 21 and positive 1. 21 and negative 1, no. Positive 3 and negative 7. When we look at this, they multiply to negative 28 and they add to negative 4. So this is what we need. We don't need to continue. Okay, after a while you will get used to it and you will find it easier. Like you will find the numbers without doing all this. But for now, if you have trouble, just try to find all the factors and see which one will give us B. Okay, I will give you an example of something that will not gonna work. And if we cannot numbers multiply to C and add to B, that means we cannot factor this. So let's say I have x squared plus 4x plus 6. Again, I will try x and x. I will think of two numbers multiplied to 6 and add to 4. So let's say 1 and 6, negative 1 and negative 6, 2 and 3, negative 2 and negative 3. There is no other factors, and none of those when we add 7, when we add negative 7, 5, negative 5. So we cannot factor. We cannot find two numbers multiply to C and add to B. Okay, so this is what I want you to learn. I will post a package for you to do over the weekend, and I hope that you have a great weekend until I see you back again on Monday.